Is he still here?
Mr. Weston was placed in a waiting room. I think he's in waiting room 25.
Oh, okay.
Right. Give me your phone. I mean, give me your, I'm sorry, give me your. Why you got like going on? I don't have.
Here we go. All right, no, go. That's me standing up.
Yes, ma'am.
Go ahead.
All rise.
You
Welcome and good morning. The 36th District Court for the City of Detroit, State of Michigan is now in session with the Honorable Marlena E. Taylor now presiding. While court is in session, there will be no talking, eating, sleeping, drinking, gum chewing, or driving. Thank you. You may be seated. Good morning, Your Honor.
Thank you. Good morning. I stood up with y'all. I'm so not used to it. I didn't start having people in the courtroom, so I'm not used to people standing up. I stood up with y'all like, oh no, that's not me. Well. Kenneth Weston.
James Shamora appearing on behalf of Mr. Weston.
Oh no, hold on. I didn't call it yet.
Okay, sorry.
It's
Apologies.
okay.
Can
you hear me now?
I can hear you. I can't see you though. What's happening?
I don't know. Let me see. Oh, I'm sorry.
There you go. All right. Now calling the matter of the people versus Kenneth Earl Bernard Weston. This is ticket B 108437. This is one count opening business without city occupancy permit. Appearances for the record, starting with council, please.
Yes, James Shamora, P29433 on behalf of Mr. Weston.
And Mr. Weston, can you state your name for the record, please?
Kenneth Earl Bernard Weston.
All right. Council, how are we proceeding today?
Yes, I had an opportunity to speak with the city attorney, and it was agreed that the ticket would be dismissed.
All right, at this time, being that you have an agreement with the city attorney that this case is to be dismissed, I'm going to grant that. I'm going to dismiss it without prejudice. You're all set, okay? Thank you.
All right, thank you very much, Marlena.
You're welcome. Have a good day, okay?
All right, thank
As
you.
well.
Nice to meet you, attorney. Now calling the you can go ahead and log off, Mr. Weston. That was all, okay?
Okay, thank you.
You're very welcome. Now calling the matter of the people versus Angelo Williams. This is ticket SP 1458813. Count 1, no insurance misdemeanor. Count 2, drove while license suspended. Count 3, open alcohol in a motor vehicle driver. Appearance for the record, starting with council, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Caitlin Crapo, P86272 on behalf of Mr. Williams. At this time, I do not believe Mr. Williams has logged on. I also have not been able to get into contact with him in any way. I've tried multiple times via mail. We've tried looking up addresses. We've tried calling him. We've tried looking up, phone numbers for his family. And at this time, I would like to move to withdraw.
Okay. All right, at this time, the court is going to allow you to withdraw from this case. Let me see if I can hear it was that I put down today, attorney.
So I'm sorry, what did you say?
No, that's not for you. I said, let me see what type of it's a free trial. Okay, I'll put it into what's called a show cause status at this point in time. But you are off the case. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Judge Taylor. It's wonderful seeing you.
It's so nice seeing you too. You enjoy the rest of your day, okay?
Thank you, you too. And thank you to your staff.
All right, thank you. Have a good day.
You too.
Hello, Mr. Kevin.
Hello.
Earlier, why did you leave?
Yeah, he told the guy told me to leave, and he said something about another court date since this isn't a court date today. But yeah, he did say that. That was weird. I was like, okay,
Okay, what's your last name?
Wager, Wager.
Hey, Mr. Wager, I'm gonna put you in a waiting room.
Okay.
Ms. Carver?
Yes, I was just wondering about the license.
Oh, can I ask you a question?
Yes, of course.
Do you have odd or even?
Even.
Okay, because I don't know how one of the defendants went into number 1, and I just noticed, so I put him in number 5, Walden. I'll tell him.
Walden, I don't think I have Walden.
He's in 5 now, so I'll tell Mr. Boffman so he won't forget him.
Yeah, there's a couple people I couldn't get their attention, but.
Okay.
And then
Attorney Carver, his license is valid.
thank you. Oh, I had one more question. If
Yes.
if someone wants an attorney to follow their case, should I just wait to ask on the record, or do you want to send me something now?
The person who just joined at 8496, what's your name, please?
Davion Wallace,
Spell your last name.
Wallace.
Okay, Mr. Wallace, I have you checked in. Press *6 on your phone to put it on mute. Okay, very good. Press it again to take it off of mute. Okay, you know how to do it. So put it back on mute and leave it on mute until you're asked to take it off.
Okay.
Mr. Wallace, I'm going to put you in a breakout room so that you can speak with the attorney in private about your case.
Okay. All right.
Tamika Williams,
Yes,
good morning.
good morning.
Are you Tamika Williams?
Yes,
Okay, just one moment. Okay. And your case is scheduled for what time?
10 o'clock.
I don't believe we have any cases that are scheduled for 10. Okay, just one moment.
She's probably supposed to be in courtroom 426. It says my name under it on their thing, so I think it's really supposed to be my courtroom, but it's really courtroom probably 425? 425. That's probably where she's supposed to be if you don't see her on the schedule for today.
Mhm. Well, try courtroom 425. Ms. Williams. You're not on our docket.
You said 425. How do I get to 425?
The way it's happening today, just put 5 instead of 337.
Okay, okay. Thank you.
You're welcome. Mr. Walden,
Yes,
did you speak with an attorney?
yes.
Okay, thank you.
I have another question about Kevin Williams.
Good morning. What about Kevin Williams?
Good morning, Judge. How are you?
I'm fine. How about yourself?
Good.
What's up?
So he has a bunch of defaulted, and I was just wondering if there's anything else on this ticket that's up to date that maybe I could help him with. But I think he paid everything.
Yeah, so he just has these 3 tickets on the docket today. He has one in warrant status and these other 2 tickets.
Okay, all I have is driver's license suspended and no insurance, so.
The other ticket is a no insurance too, but it's in warrant status. So if you've seen his insurance, I'll take it out of warrant status and help today.
I do, say he does have insurance and his license, as you know.
All right, I'll take
so.
care of that one then. So we can
And
take care of all.
he had a bunch of points rack up from defaults, but I think he said he paid them and everything.
He paid them. So the problem with defaults when you pay them is that he has to file a motion to have them reconsider because it's not even with me. They go back to the magistrate. So
Can you check to see if there's anything he hasn't paid that we could help him with? He said
okay.
he's maxed out on points or something. He's got a
I
lot of points.
can see if it's any open, but if he's paid them all, then he has to try and go through the process.
He says he has, but I'll be right back.
Okay.
Officer Bennett's case is the Wilson Thomas Preston. On the docket, it's last name Wilson, but we're gonna dismiss that. It was his brother that actually did it.
Judge, I'm gonna step away from the computer for about 3 minutes.
Okay. Good morning, Attorney Cole.
Good morning.
How you doing?
I'm okay.
Sometimes that's what we can do, okay?
Actually, it's a lovely day.
All right now.
But you make me want to go like this. How you doing?
How you doing? Doing today?
I was trying to speak with Miss Carver. I'm assuming she's in a
Okay.
breakout room.
Yeah, she's probably in breakout room number 12.
Okay, I'll check with her. Thank you. Sorry for being so silly, but
No, I'll make, and what I'll do is I'll make you a co-host. I'm also make you a co-host so you can bounce in and out of the room.
thank you. I appreciate that.
Sorry.
Good morning, Mr. Martell.
Good morning, Judge.
This is the court reporter.
Good morning.
Good morning. Karen Williams.
Here on the Trayvon Williams matter.
Okay, I believe he's checked in. Just a moment.
Thank you.
Yeah, he has not checked in yet.
May I speak to the city attorney, if he or she is present, or alternatively, could we either take this on the record or get a new date in this matter?
The city attorney is in breakout room number 30, but it's up to the judge to answer your other question. No, she's not in 30.
She hasn't answered me in a couple minutes, so maybe she's a little busy right now.
Who's that, Miss Carter?
Oh, just the
They'll
prosecutor.
cross today. Oh, go ahead.
Oh, Mr. Martell left.
Should I, is Kevin Williams, is there anything we can do?
We're looking at it right now. Let me see.
Okay. Take your time. I can't get room 4 or 14 to answer me. I've gone back like 100 times.
4 and what?
4 and 14.
They're not answering.
They just won't talk to me, but they still got some time.
Hello.
Okay, he paid 2. No. That's it? He paid 2 of them, so he already paid them and they're closed.
All right, thank you.
He may have paid in some other cities and stuff. That might be the problem, but he paid 2 of them and they're closed, so.
And was it a stop sign ticket?
And an improper equipment ticket.
Stop sign and improper equipment ticket that he paid.
Okay, so he only got a few points from us at least.
Yeah.
Oh, he already came out anyways. Okay.
Alicia Washington. Take your device off.
Yes.
Okay. Good morning.
Good
You are-
morning.
Can you turn on? Please?
Turn on my what? Okay.
All right. Are you Felicia Washington?
Yes.
Okay. Have you checked in, Ms. Washington? Would you please do me a favor and remove the wrapping from your head?
Okay.
All right. Thank you. Ms. Washington, I'm going to put you in a breakout room so that you can speak with the attorney about your case.
Okay.
Pardon the interruption. Can somebody tell me whether Officer Goins has checked in?
No, he or she hasn't.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome.
Is Jeffrey Walker like just having trouble? Oh, never mind. He came out here. Never mind. I'll stay quiet now.
Hello?
Ms. Williams, was that the right courtroom?
The 425, it's saying invalid.
I don't think they said, I don't think y'all said, well, yeah, you did, 425. Okay, the clerk, yeah, the moment.
Okay, thank you.
Try to move into courtroom 336. So it's gonna be 360-336-0000.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome.
All right.
Lamont Edwards,
It's Lamont Williams.
sorry, Lamont Williams, my apologies. Did you speak with the attorney?
Yes, he and I spoke.
Rothman, I put him in the waiting room.
Thank you. I came on a different device because, I have a hard time on that other portable device. So thank you.
You're welcome.
odd number of breakout rooms are clear. Council's ready.
All right, Attorney Bachman, I have one in-person matter I'm going to do first. It is a probationer, Mr. Harold Williams. He's in the courtroom with Officer McCall. It's a good one, so you don't have to worry. I have to come forward, I have to go closer to the speaker so they can hear. Come over closer, Mr. Williams, come over closer to the speaker because they All right, now calling the matter of the people versus Harold Williams. This is Z ticket 8066841. This is one count operating while intoxicated. Today is the date and time set for a probation review hearing. May I have appearances for the record, please, starting with Officer McCall.
Good morning, Your Honor. Michael McCall on behalf of the probation department.
Attorney Bachman.
Good morning, Harry Bachman, P55052 on behalf of the defendant. Sir, Mr. Williams, please state your name loud and clear.
Harold Hickman Williams.
Thank you and good morning, everyone.
Good morning.
All right, Officer McCall, how is Mr. Williams doing on probation today?
Your Honor, Mr. Williams was placed on probation on July 26, 2021 for 18 months. He was ordered to pay $1,360 in assessed fines and costs, attend inpatient treatment, test twice per month, attend and complete the alcohol highway safety class, as well as the victims impact panel. Mr. Williams last appeared, Your Honor, in person on May 22nd, 2023 on a review hearing, and he was instructed to continue with intensive outpatient treatment until discharge in writing, continue screens 3 times per week with negative screens, no missed tests and no positive tests, and 5 days of Wayne County Jail was held in advance. And he was instructed to return today for compliance. And if in compliance, court was going to entertain possible discharge. Mr. Williams' probation was extended for 6 months due to violation hearings. And in regards to his fines and costs, he has paid his assessed fines and costs in full. He has completed the alcohol highway safety class as well as the victims impact panel. He's completed inpatient treatment. He has attended 12-step meetings. In regards to his screens, Your Honor, since May 20th, 2023, all the way up until July 22nd, 2023, Mr. Williams' screens has been negative for all substances. And Mr. Williams had some hiccups along the way during his terms and conditions of probation, but Mr. Williams has pulled himself through and made it possible to continue with his terms and conditions of probation. And Mr. Williams also indicated that he appreciates the court as well as Your Honor, myself, his therapist, and his sister and family in helping him maintain his sobriety. And he indicated that if it wasn't for us, he don't know where he would be.
Right. You have anything to say, Attorney Bachman?
I thank Officer McCall for her recitation of the facts and respectfully would ask the court to consider dismissal and closing the case at this time. I would also like to congratulate Mr. Williams on his performance and from the keep trying. Don't give up now. And now is when you got to do it on your own.
Officer McCall, can you say again when he's tested negative from how long?
From May 20th, 2023 to July 22nd, 2023. All his screens has been negative, and as of July 19th, 2023, he has successfully completed his intensive outpatient treatment program.
You hear that, sir?
And I'm really proud of
Yes,
Mr.
ma'am.
Williams because he's came a long way, Your Honor, and he really appreciates the court.
I really do.
Hear that? May 23rd till now. It hasn't been easy, has it?
No, it hasn't, but I've been staying away from the ones that's just getting me in trouble.
That's gonna be the key, right? We already talked a little bit, so I'm not gonna prolong this too much.
Okay.
But the
thank
key
you.
is to stay away from those individuals and go to the people who want to see you be successful.
No, we are.
They want you to be like them, so of course they're gonna invite you to do what they want to do.
Yes.
And no, how are you feeling today, right now?
Feel blessed.
Good.
Excuse me.
It's okay.
If it wasn't for the courts, I probably would have never stopped. I'm amended, because all the years that I've been on that stuff, it took a knock on the head in order to get me, But it's everybody that I thank you for helping me out. Without a hard-headed person, sometimes you have to be hard on them,
That's right, but I didn't have to be too hard. I think I only had to give you one small threat that I was gonna put you in, and you came back, coming back correct the next time. I told you I was gonna go ahead and put you in jail. And you were like, no, that's not for me, right? Okay?
I had to shake for life.
Well, congratulations. I think I want you to hear again how long because that's every day that you don't test positive is a great day.
Thank you.
Right?
Thank you.
I don't care if it's 2 days, I don't care if it's 3 days, I don't care if it's 14 years. Every day you choose not to.
Yeah.
It's a fantastic day.
It
That
gets
means you're
better day
choosing
by
yourself.
day,
Yeah, okay?
Yes,
All
ma'am.
right.
Thank
So-
you, Your Honor.
With that being said, it is great pleasure that I have this morning to say that you have successfully completed probation. I'm going to discharge you.
Thank you.
Stay the course. Like I said, remember I said, if you need us, Officer McCall is here. She don't have to involve me. You let her know and we'll get you what you need so that you can get on track. Okay, and stay on track,
Thank
okay?
you, Your Honor.
All right, no problem. That concludes this hearing. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Your Honor.
Thank you. Love you.
Thank you, love you too. Thank you. I appreciate you.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
Okay.
Enjoy Beyonce.
I'm trying to get to this council. I might have to go late or something. I gotta go to church first. I was never running. You won't break my son. I'm trying. All right, is Preston Thomas here? Who has Preston Thomas?
I do, Your Honor.
Okay, you ready on that?
Yes.
Okay, let me bring Corporal in here.
I think his last name is supposed to be Wilson Thomas.
Yeah, I have it on Wilson Thomas. Okay. All right. Now calling the matter of the people versus Preston Van Wilson Thomas. This is ticket SP 1396484. Count 1, failed to display a valid operator's license, not on person. Count 2, no insurance misdemeanor. Also calling ticket number 108202, 1 count of expired plates. Nope, ticket number SP 1396480. I'm sorry about that. 1 count expired plates. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Jane Carver here on behalf of Mr. Wilson Thomas. Can you state your name, please, sir?
Preston Van Wilson Thomas.
Thank you. This is the date and time set for trial. Mr. Wilson Thomas didn't actually get these tickets. And with the prosecutors and the officer Bennett's blessing, we move to dismiss all 3 counts.
Being that there has been an agreement to dismiss these tickets without prejudice, the court is going to follow that. I'm going to dismiss these tickets. Sir, I hope you know who took advantage of your name, and make sure you flag your account if you need to, so that they can't do it again, okay?
Yes, ma'am. I've already done it and I spoke to my little brother.
Okay. I'm so sorry. Tell your little brother not to do that anymore, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, have a good day.
You as well. Thank you, guys.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
Listen to that. I'm gonna just start going for the who's ever in that room. So Jalen Wilborn should be coming in.
And then Autumn Wright is a dismissal. And Kevin Williams.
I'm gonna have to put Mr. Wilborn back into. All right. Autumn Wright?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, now calling the matter of People versus Autumn Wright. This is ticket number SP 1458385. Count 1, drive unregistered untitled vehicle. Count 2, no insurance misdemeanor. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Jane Carver here on behalf of Ms. Wright. Can you state your name, please, Ms. Wright?
You said say my name. I'm sorry, my speaker is kind of broken, so I have to go back and forth between my face and my ear. My name is Autumn Wright.
Thank you. Ms. Wright is here for a pretrial. She's provided valid registration and valid insurance, and we move to dismiss.
All right, at this time, being that she has presented to you as an officer of the court valid insurance, the court's going to grant your request. I'm going to dismiss this matter without prejudice, okay?
Thank you.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Have a good day, Ms. Wright. Keep everything valid, up to date in your vehicle, okay?
I am. You won't see me no more.
All right, that's what I like to hear. Have a good day, Ms. Wright.
Bye.
Bye. Dante Williams?
Yes.
All right.
Yes.
Now call, yes, okay, Mr. Williams, I'm gonna call your matter, okay? Now call the matter of the People versus Dante LeRae Williams. This is ticket SP 1469199. This is 1 count reckless driving. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Your Honor, I believe this is Attorney Boffman's case.
Okay.
But if you, I can, Jane Carver here on behalf of Mr. Williams. Can you state your name, Mr. Williams?
Yes, my name is Dante Williams.
Attorney Boffman?
Hi, sorry to miss Harry Boffman for the defendant. Mr. Williams is asking for a next action date, Your Honor.
Okay. All right, sir, I'm gonna put this on September 22nd. September 22nd, that's gonna be at 9 a.m. I'm gonna set your bond at $0. I mean, 8:30 a.m. I'm sorry, 8:30 a.m. Bond will be set at $0, okay? He has 3 tickets that went with this, that went into default.
Would you, in the interest of justice, because they are a part of the same transaction or occurrence, set aside the default here and set those matters for pretrial with the instant case?
And let me make sure. They may have already gone into default a long time ago. Let me not misspeak. Oh, no, these are from long ago, 21, never mind. I'm sorry. Okay, all right, cool. All right, if there's nothing further, you're all set. I'll see you back on September 22nd, sir. September 22nd at 8:30 a.m. via Zoom, okay?
Okay, no problem.
All
At
right.
8:30?
At 8:30 a.m., okay?
Okay, no problem.
All right. Lewis Wilson. Corporate Bennett, we already took care of that matter. I tried to get you out. You're all set, okay?
Yes, Your Honor, I'm sorry, I was in the courtroom, but
I know
thank
what
you
was
very much.
happening. I just wait for you to come in so that you know you don't have to wait any longer. So I appreciate it.
Yes, Your Honor, have a good day.
You too. Thank
Thank
you. Lewis Wilson.
Ma'am.
Okay, can you turn your camera back on for me, please?
Pardon?
There you go. Now calling the matter of the people versus Lewis Everett Wilson. This is ticket SP 1434134. Count 1, drove while license suspended. Count 2, no insurance misdemeanor. Count 3, expired plate. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Morning, Your Honor. Harry Boffman on behalf of the defendant. Mr. Wilson, please state your full name.
Lewis Everett Wilson.
Judge, the defendant is here for the purpose of pretrial. He's going to accept the prosecutor's recommendation and plead guilty here to failure to display.
All right, sir. If you want to take advantage of that offer, please raise your right hand.
Yes.
Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes, ma'am.
You can put your hand down. Did you have a chance to talk to an attorney about your case and about your rights?
Yeah, I talked to him.
Did anyone threaten you, force you, or promise you anything in exchange for a plea today?
No, ma'am.
Are you pleading guilty of your own free will?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you understand that by taking this guilty plea, you're going to give up the rights that you had to have a bench or jury trial in this matter? You understand that?
Yes, ma'am.
Understanding all of that, did you still want to move forward?
Yes.
All right, I want to take your attention back to the date of February 16th of 2023, sir. Were you driving a Lincoln vehicle in the area of Livernois and Grand River in the city of Detroit?
Yes, ma'am.
And while you were driving that vehicle, was your license suspended at the time, sir?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, satisfied, counsel?
I am satisfied. Thank you, Your Honor, and I stipulate the probable cause for the matters that are being dismissed here.
Thank you so much. So at this time, the court's going to enter a plea to the amended charge of failed to display. The remaining 2 counts will be dismissed. Sir, my fine is $200. How long will that take you to pay? 30 or 60 days?
Can I have 60 days?
You can. So I'll make it due no later than September 26, 2023, okay?
Okay, hey, can I say this right here? My address, I have a new address. Is it possible that you have?
So what I need you to do is I need you to call the courtroom. This is being viewed live, and I don't want you to give your information out over a live media source, okay?
Oh, okay, all right.
Okay, do you have some means to take down the number? You can call this afternoon.
Yes, ma'am. Go ahead. Go ahead. You can give it to me.
313.
Okay.
965.
565.
No, 965.
965. Okay.
2293.
93. Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. Call this afternoon and we'll put it in the system.
Okay, thank you.
Okay.
I'm all set.
You're all set, okay?
All right, thanks for being patient with me.
Oh, no, thank you for being patient. I appreciate it.
All right, you have a good day.
You too, sir. All right.
Bye-bye.
Kevin Williams is coming in next. Mr. Williams? Kevin Williams? All right. You ready? Mr. Williams, unmute yourself. You got it?
Can you hear me now?
Yep, now. Now calling the matter of the people versus Kevin Joseph Williams. This is ticket SP 1378235. Count 1, drove while license suspended. Count 2, no insurance misdemeanor. Ticket SP 132799241. 1 count of no insurance misdemeanor. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Jane Carver here on behalf of Mr. Williams. Can you state your name, please?
Kevin Williams.
Thank you. Mr. Williams has provided valid insurance, and the court confirmed his license is also valid. So we move to dismiss all 3 counts and remove any warrants. I believe that last one was in warrant status.
It wasn't warrant status. The court's going to enter a plea of not guilty on behalf of your client, leave it from warrant status. But seeing that he is now in compliance and has valid documentation, the court is going to dismiss these matters without prejudice. Mr. Williams, it's important that you always keep everything valid, up to date, and in your vehicle, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, there's nothing further. You're all set, sir. Thank you for your patience.
Oh, wow. Thank you.
You're welcome. Attorney Martell?
Good morning, Judge. How are you this morning?
Good morning. Your client didn't check in, and it's a show cause hearing. So
Yes, Judge, I do understand that, Judge. I did speak with him as recently as last week. I do not have an explanation for the court other than that I'm assuming it may be something to do with his health because he has no track record of capias, Judge. My humble request would be to put this matter over for a couple of days and allow me time to bring my client before this honorable court before issuing a warrant.
Yeah.
Okay, August 2nd.
Thank you, Judge.
You're welcome. If he's not here that day, I'm gonna move it to a show cause. If he's not here that day, I'm gonna capias him, okay?
Yes, Judge. Fully understood.
Right.
Thank
Oh, can I have your P number, Attorney Martell, before you get? No, I'm good. I'll do it. He is here for it. He was here for Trayvon Williams. He's on the SP. He's on the 3rd page. Wait for him.
Please. Just joined us, 9597. What is your name?
Pardon?
Name?
Joseph Wenzel.
Hey, Mr. Wenzel, just one moment.
Oh, no, Mr. Wenzel, you might have to call Corbin. Too late today.
Mr. Wenzel, call this phone number, 313-965-2253.
2253?
2293.
2293?
Yes.
I'm stranded in North Canton, Ohio. I've got my mechanical receipts, the $2,200.
Okay, call the courtroom, please, okay?
Pardon?
All right.
Call that.
Hang up and call the courtroom, okay?
Call the courtroom, yes.
All right,
Thank
thank you. John Young?
Yes.
All right. Now calling the matter of People versus John DeMar Young Jr. This is ticket SP 1395233. Count 1, drive while license suspended. Count 2, no insurance misdemeanor. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Morning, Harry Boffin on behalf of the defendant. Sir, please state your name.
John DeMar Young.
Your Honor, the matter is here for pretrial. The defendant inadvertently missed his last court date, but he's here because it's important to him and he will appear at any next action date. Please enter a not guilty plea on his behalf for the arraignment purpose, and we'll waive any more formal reading of the information and complaint and ask for a pretrial, please.
All right. All right, sir. At this time, the court is going to give you a new pretrial date. That is going to be on September 22nd, 2023 at 8:30 a.m., okay? Bond is at $0 personal, okay, sir?
Okay.
All right, if there's nothing further, you're all set, okay?
All right, thank you.
You're welcome. Have a good day. Rosa Wards. Ms. Wards?
Yeah, can you hear me?
I can, thank you. Now calling the matter of people versus Rosa Maria Wards. This is ticket SP 1395033. Count 1, drove while license suspended. Also calling ticket number SP 1240466. Count 2, drove while license suspended. Count 3, no insurance misdemeanor. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Good morning, Harry Bachman on behalf of the defendant. Would you state your name, ma'am?
Rose Wards.
Good morning, Judge. This is a matter that's set for one moment. I'm sorry, Your Honor. The defendant is here for a show cause. She missed her last court date inadvertently. She's going to appear at her next court date. We ask for a pretrial and waive any more formal reading and ask for a not guilty plea to be entered on her behalf. Thank you.
All right, at this time, the court is going to enter a not guilty plea on her behalf. Ma'am, I'll set this for a pretrial on the date of September 22nd. September 22nd at 8:30 a.m. I'll set your bond at $0 personal, okay?
Okay.
There is a ticket that's in default. It's a no proof of insurance. Did you talk to her about that, Attorney Baughman?
I didn't see it. I missed it, Judge. If it is, would please the court, would you, I'm moving to set that default aside and make it a part of the instant cases, get her a global resolution on our next court date.
Okay, I will do so. I'll set aside the default.
Thank you.
We'll move this ticket. Okay. I'll see you on September 22nd, ma'am, at 8:30 a.m.
Okay.
All right, have a good day.
You too. Thank you.
You're welcome. Sorry, I think I said Rosa. Her name is Rose, yeah, Rose.
I can
All right,
leave.
you can leave. You're all set.
Okay, thank
you. Juwan Williams. I'm bringing him in. Juwan Williams. Unmute yourself for me, please. Now calling the matter of the people versus Juwan Allen Williams. This is ticket SP 1460028. One count disobey lawful order of a police officer. Also calling ticket number SP 1460031. One count insufficient or defective lights. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Jane Carver here on behalf of Mr. Williams. Mr. Williams, can you please state your name?
Name is Juwan Williams.
Thank you. Mr. Williams is here for a pretrial. He would like to challenge this and he requested some body cam footage. So I think he would qualify for an attorney to follow his case. We'd ask that you set this for another pretrial and give him the information for getting a court-appointed attorney.
Okay, so you can't afford an attorney?
No, he's not working right now. He just had a surgery.
All right. All right, I'm gonna have you call the courtroom after you finish so we can get counsel assigned to you. Can you take down this phone number?
Yes.
Okay, 313-965-2293.
Okay, 313-965-2293.
Yes, I need you to call this number so we can take down some information and get you a court-appointed attorney. I'll have you return on August 30th so that we can move forward with this matter, okay? But you need to call the courtroom right now so we can get the attorney signed so they can appear with you at the next court day, okay?
Okay, it's ringing now. If that's
Okay, all right, call set. Okay, all right, if there's nothing further, you can go ahead and log off, sir. Have a good day.
You as well. You as well. Thanks so much.
Bye-bye. You're welcome. All right, this is Danica Williams or Danica. Is it Danica? Danica doing a lot of movement right now. I have to recall her.
Oh, hello.
Hello, all right. Now calling the list of the people. Oh, okay, you in a place, you gotta stop moving.
Yes, I'm sorry. I'm up and out. Oh,
Now, oh, okay. All right. All right. You in a place? Okay, now calling the matter of the people versus Danica Danae Williams. This is ticket SP 1368424. One count allowing an unlicensed driver to drive. Appearances for the record, started with counsel, please.
Good morning, Harry Boffman for the defendant. Ma'am, state your name, please.
Danica Williams.
Thank you, Ms. Williams. Judge, the defendant's going to waive her right to any further hearings. She's going to resolve this here. There's a recommendation that if she pleads as charged to the allowing, that the case will be dismissed upon payment.
Okay. All right, you want to take advantage of that today?
Yes, Judge. Thank you.
Please raise your right hand. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes, I
All right,
do.
you can put it down. Thank you. Did you have a chance to talk to Attorney Baughman about your case and about your rights?
Yes, I did.
Did anyone threaten you, force you, or promise you anything in exchange for a plea today?
No, ma'am.
Are you pleading guilty of your own choice?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes, ma'am.
And do you understand that by taking this guilty plea today, that you're going to give up the rights that you had to have a bench or a jury trial in these matters? You understand that?
Yes, ma'am.
Understanding all of that, did you still want to move forward, ma'am?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, I'm gonna take you back to the date of July 13th, 2022. Ma'am, did you own a GMC vehicle?
I did not. It was registered in my name, Danielle Whitehead, the young man who was stopped. Owned it.
Okay, so.
All right. Well, I tried.
Can I just take Ms. Williams back to the breakout room for a second? I think we can get past this.
All right, I'll go with some other cases.
Okay. I'm sorry, Ms. Williams. Go ahead and join the breakout room. I'll see you there in a minute. You're already assigned.
So to leave here, go join the breakout room.
Join the breakout room, please. It won't take long. I'm sorry for the confusion.
Okay. Am I unmuted? Okay.
All right, back on the record in the matter of the people versus Danica Williams. Counsel, can you restate your name, please?
Harry Baughman for the defendant. Ma'am, please unmute your device, restate your name.
Denise Williams.
Your Honor, I apologize for not fully advising the defendant as to the court's need for a factual basis. She was a little bit confused, but would you please pose the questions to her again? I believe that she is able to make a factual basis here this morning.
All right, ma'am, you're gonna remain under oath at this point in time. Ma'am, did you have a vehicle or on the vehicle back on the date of July 13th of 2022, a GMC vehicle?
Yes, ma'am.
And did you allow someone who was unlicensed to drive that vehicle?
Yes, ma'am.
And counsel, will you stipulate, although I think you may have been in the vehicle, that it was in the area of Finkel and West Auto Drive in the city of Detroit?
So stipulated for the purpose of the plea here. Thank you.
All right, so at this time, the court is going, you satisfied, counsel?
I am satisfied, Your Honor. Thank you.
Thank you. So at this time, the court's gonna enter a plea to allowing an unlicensed driver to drive. Ma'am, upon payment of my fine, which is $200, they're going to dismiss this. How long do you need to pay that $200?
May I have 2 months to pay it?
Yes, you may. I'll have it until, how about September 26th? Does that give you enough time?
Yes, Judge, it does. Thank you.
All right, if it's paid, you don't have to sign back in. We'll just dismiss it. If it's not paid, you have to sign back in, okay?
And I just come to the 36
Yes, you can come down to 36th District Court, or you can go online and do it too.
Oh,
at 36districtcourt.org, okay? So either way, you can either come down or you can just pay it online.
Okay. Use the court number that I'm.
Yep. Yep, so what you have to do, just use the case number. It'll be on like the main website. If you go to 36districtcourt.org, on the left hand side, it says case lookup. Use that and then find the case. It'll let you pay them.
Okay, thank you so much.
You're welcome. Enjoy the rest of your day, okay?
Thank you. Okay.
You're welcome.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Have a good day, ma'am.
You as well, dear.
You're all set. Yep, you can sign off. James Wilson is being called. Mr. Wilson, please press *6 on your phone, Mr. Wilson.
Yes, I'm here.
Okay. Now calling the matter of the people versus James Wilson. This is V ticket 130624. One count failed to provide leash or responsible person for dog off owner's property. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Jane Carver here on behalf of Mr. Wilson. Can you state your name, please, sir?
James Wilson.
Mr. Wilson would like to set this matter for a bench trial.
All right, Mr. Wilson, if you can raise your right hand for me, please. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes, I do.
All right, you can put your hands down. Did you have a chance to talk to an attorney about your case and about your rights?
Yes, yes, Your Honor.
And it's my understanding you want to have a bench trial. That's a trial before me as the trier and finder of facts. Is that correct, sir?
That's correct.
All right, I'm going to set it for the day of October the 6th at 9 a.m. Sir, it is via Zoom, but I have to be able to see you. Are you able to figure out how I can be able to see you on the Zoom and not just hear your voice on the phone?
What I'll do is when my wife come home, I'll get her to show me how to do it because I really don't know how to do this. I really
Okay, have her show you. You got some time to figure it out. Because I have to be able to see you. If I can't see you, then you have to come down here. But if I can do it on Zoom, then you can stay there and do it at home, okay?
Okay.
All right, if there's nothing further, bond set at $0 personal. I'll see you October 6th, sir, okay?
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. Bringing in Alicia Watley. Ms. Watley?
Yes.
All right, now calling the matter of people versus, you're all set, Mr. Wilson, just hang up the phone.
Oh, okay.
Okay, all right, now calling the matter of the people versus Alicia Watley. This is ticket number SP 1354989. One count open alcohol in a motor vehicle driver. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
I can hear you.
Jane Carver on behalf of Ms. Watley. Can you state your name, please? Can you hear us?
Yes, I can hear you now. Alicia Watley.
Anybody talk to her or no? Everybody look at the.
I haven't, sorry.
I did not.
All right. All right, sorry, Ms. Watley. I thought you had been spoken to, and it seems like you have not. So I'm gonna have to put you into a breakout room so someone can talk to you, okay?
I'll go with her now, Your Honor. Would you allow me to place her into breakout room number 1?
Yes, go ahead.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Lewis Williams.
I can't do it. I'm sorry, I can't.
Did you do Lewis Williams, Attorney Carver?
Yeah.
I did.
Okay, cool. Go ahead. That I'm checking so I can make sure I can do it. All right. Join that room with him, Ms. Watley.
Okay. I'm trying to.
So I'll move her to 1.
Thank you.
All right, there you go. And then room 1. Okay. Mr. Williams?
Yes.
Now calling the matter of people versus Lewis Grant Williams. This is ticket SP 1442496. Count 1, no insurance misdemeanor. Count 2, drove with revoked license. Also calling, this is pending on my docket for July 31st. Ticket SP 1478059. Count 1, drove with the revoked license. Count 2, failure to yield to a stationary or moving emergency responder. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Jane Carver here on behalf of Mr. Williams. Mr. Williams, can you please state your name?
Yes, Lord Grant Williams.
Your Honor, Mr. Williams would like to set the 2 matters on the docket for a bench trial. But I didn't know about the others. Could we set them? Would you like to set the others for a bench trial as well? That way all 4 are together.
Well, excuse me, Judge. For the
Yeah, go ahead. I'm asking you. It's okay. What do you want to do?
For the second matter, I would like to plea out, but the first one, I would like to take it to the trial. But the second matter, I would like to.
Okay, so
It
just
might be
come
more
back
advantageous.
okay, so just play out on, so come back on July 31st for your other 2 tickets, okay? And on this ticket though, I'm gonna have you raise your right hand. You swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
All right, you can put your hand down. Did you have a chance to talk to an attorney about your case and about your rights?
Yes.
And it's my understanding you want to have a bench trial. That's a trial before me as the trier and finder of facts. Is that correct?
Yes.
All right, I'm going to set it for the date of October 6th. October 6th at 9 a.m. I'll set your bond at $0 personal, okay?
Okay, thank you.
All right, you're all set, sir. Thank you.
somebody. Thank you. Have a good day.
You too. Have a good day. Did you resolve, Ms. Watley?
I'm sorry.
We're ready.
Okay, all right. Now recalling the matter of the people versus Alicia Watley. This is ticket number SP 1354989. This matter was called on the record previously. Appearances once again for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Harry Bachman for the defendant. Ms. Watley, please state your name.
Alicia Watley.
Thank you, Your Honor. The defendant is here for the purpose of arraignment. Please enter a not guilty plea for her. She will waive any more formal reading of the information or complaint and ask for a not guilty plea to be entered and the matter to be set for a pretrial, please.
Okay. All right, ma'am. I'm going to enter a plea of not guilty on your behalf. I'm going to set this for a pretrial on the date of September 22nd, 2023 at 8:30 a.m. I'll set your bond at $0 personal, okay?
Okay.
All right. Have a good day.
You too.
I just sent Davian Wallace out here. I think he's on the phone, but it'll be a dismissal.
So, all right. I may not have his file on Ms. Carver. That's the problem.
Right,
So
I
that's
just
why-
wanted to, so that because he was just coming out.
Yes, hello.
Hello, Mr. Wallace.
Just.
All right, I don't have his file yet, so that's why I'm doing this strategically, Ms. Carver, because I don't have some of the files because there was so many people. So although it may just be a quick matter, it may take me a moment, okay?
No problem.
Amon Woodward. Don Woodward.
Mr. Woodard.
Woodard, I'm sorry, Woodard, that's why. Woodard, Mr. Woodard.
You're muted, Mr. Woodard.
All right. Davion Wallace, you can unmute yourself. Mr. Wallace?
Oh, yeah, I'm unmuted. I'm sorry.
All right. Now calling the matter of the people versus Davion Dante Wallace. This is ticket number SP 1471346. One count, no insurance misdemeanor. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Jane Carver on behalf of Mr. Wallace. Can you state your name, Mr. Wallace?
Davion Wallace.
Thank you. Mr. Wallace has provided valid insurance and we move to dismiss.
All right. This time, being an officer of the court, having seen valid documentation, the court is going to dismiss this matter without prejudice. Sir, you're all set. Thank you.
All right, thank you. I appreciate it.
All right, have a good day. All right, bye-bye. You can't go. Adam Woodard?
Yeah.
All right, now calling the matter of the people versus Adam Woodard. This is SP 1470394. One count, drove while license suspended. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Jane Carver on behalf of Mr. Woodard. Can you state your name, please, sir?
Alan Woodard.
Mr. Woodard is here for pretrial. He'd like to take advantage of the plea and enter a guilty plea for fail to display a valid license.
All right. Okay, sir, please raise your right hand. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yeah.
All right, you can put your hand down. Did you have a chance to talk to an attorney about your case and about your rights?
Yes, I did.
Did anyone threaten you, force you, or promise you anything in exchange for a plea today?
No.
Are you pleading guilty of your own free will?
Yes.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty? Do you understand that by taking this guilty plea, you're going to give up the rights that you had to have a bench or a jury trial in this matter? You understand that?
Yes.
Understanding all of that, did you still want to move forward today?
Yes.
All right, I'm going to take your attention back to the date of June 22nd of 2023. Sir, at that time, were you driving a Chevy vehicle in the area of Livernois and Curtis in the city of Detroit?
Yes.
And while you were driving that vehicle, was your license suspended at the time?
I had to get something to eat. I went to grocery shopping.
I don't even know what you're saying. It sounded all bubble. That was a yes or no question, though. Was your license suspended at the time?
Yes, I'm sorry. Yes.
Okay. All right. Satisfied, counsel?
Yes.
All right. The court is satisfied as well and will accept the plea to the amended charge of fail to display. Sir, you owe some civil infractions, so I'm not going to charge you any additional money. You need to take care of those civil infractions, okay?
Okay.
All right. There's nothing further. You're all set, okay?
Thank you.
You're welcome. James Washington.
That one's not.
All right.
Never mind.
Now calling the matter of the people versus James Washington.
Hey, how you doing?
I'm good, thank you. All right. Ticket number 399671. Count 1, no operator's license in possession. Count 2, no insurance misdemeanor. Ticket number SP 1030473. Count 1, drove while license suspended, repeat offender. Ticket SP 1151597. Count 1, no insurance misdemeanor. Count 2, drove while license not valid or improper license. Ticket SP 1196014. Count 1, drove while license suspended, repeat offender. Count 2, drive unregistered, untitled vehicle. Count 3, no insurance misdemeanor. Ticket SP 1202123. Drove while license not valid or improper license. Ticket SP 1283553. Drove while license suspended. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Good morning, Harry Bachman for the defendant, sir. State your full name.
James Garfield Washington.
Thank you for your reading of the information and the charges. The defendant will waive any more formal reading of the information, complaint, or warrant. Stand mute and ask that these matters be set for a pretrial, please, and thank you.
All right, so I'm going to enter pleas of not guilty on your behalf. I'll set these matters for a pretrial on the date of September 22nd. September 22nd at 8:30 a.m. There's nothing further. Bond set at $0. I'll see you September 22nd, 8 a.m. Okay, sir?
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. Have a good day.
You too. So just press leave?
Yep, you can just press leave.
All right, thanks.
Carlos, did anybody talk to Carlos Wade or no?
Yes.
Not me. Oh,
I did.
Okay. Now calling the matters as a, got show cause, you know, we got show cause too. Carlos Wade. Now calling the matters of the people versus Carlos Edward Wade. This is ticket number 1349638. Count 1, no operator's license in possession. Count 2, drive unregistered untitled motor vehicle. Ticket 1540995. Count 1, no valid license. Count 2, unregistered motor vehicle. Count 3, uninsured. Ticket SP 1014800. Count one, drove while license not valid or improper license. Count two, no insurance misdemeanor. Ticket number SP 1453469. Count one, drove while unlicensed. Count two, failed to stop for a stop sign. Count three, no proof of insurance. Show cause dates. Coming up for these tickets, these are show cause tickets. SP 1415614, drove while license not valid or improper. Ticket number SP 1475398. Count one, driver's license never acquired. Count two, no insurance misdemeanor. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Harry Bachman for the defendant. Sir, state your name, please.
Unmute yourself, sir.
Carlos Wade.
Your Honor, would you recall this case? I need to discuss with Mr. Wade those matters here for show cause.
Okay.
And see if we can get a resolution from Ms. Schneider.
Okay.
Okay. Mr. Wade, you still should be assigned to a breakout room. Can you find join breakout room?
Yes. Which one? The number 7?
Are you in 7? I'm looking to see right now. Yes. Please join 7. I'll see you there. I'll be right back. Okay, Your Honor?
Okay, that's fine. I have plenty of people left. Zaire Williams.
Ms. Williams,
Zaire Williams.
Zaria,
Yes.
Zaria, okay. Now calling the matter of the people versus Zaria Nicole Williams. This is ticket SP 1458089. Count one, open alcohol in a motor vehicle driver. Count two, underage, 21, possession less than 2.5 ounces marijuana. Count three, expired plates. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel.
Jane Carver here on behalf of Ms. Williams. Can you state your name, please?
Zaria Williams.
Thank you. Ms. Williams is here for a pretrial, but she would like to take advantage of the plea offer. Count one would be dismissed, count three would be dismissed, and the count two would be taken under HIDA.
Is civil infractions be taken under HIDA?
Is that a civil infraction?
It is.
Oh, okay. I don't know the answer to that question, but I don't think so.
I don't think so either. I think it's misdemeanors and felonies that civil infraction, that HIDA can be used for.
Okay. Maybe I should talk to Ms. Williams again. I'm just not. This is the state case, so I've been talking with Paula Cole.
Correct. I was going to say, I know you're talking about Ms. Cole with this one.
I don't think she was aware that it was a civil infraction either.
She probably thought it was a misdemeanor, because typically you would think something like that would be, according to what they have checked off, it says it's a civil infraction now. It does have a.
What is the MCL?
MCL is 333.279653. And the parentheses is the 3.
It does. Oh, the third offense is a misdemeanor.
Is it in parentheses 3?
The first violation is a civil infraction.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay.
It's a civil infraction. So just talk with her. Miss Williams, see, now we got to figure out what we're doing since you done did all these things. So you gotta be patient, okay?
Okay.
Sorry about that, Miss Williams. We can't take it off your record later since it's a civil infraction. So I'm gonna speak with the prosecutor again and
Okay.
then I'll talk to you again, okay?
Okay.
She was in breakout room 16.
Go back to that breakout room for me. I'm gonna bring in Jalen Wilburn while you're doing that. Jalen Wilburn,
Here.
okay, turn on your camera for me, please. Now calling the matter of People versus Jalen Wilburn. This is U ticket 672-10423. This is one count. This must be disorderly conduct. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Jane Carver on behalf of Mr. Wilburn. Can you state your name, sir?
Jalen Wilburn.
Mr. Wilburn would like to set this matter for a bench trial, Your Honor.
All right, if so, please raise your right hand, sir. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
All right, have you had an opportunity to talk to Attorney Carver about your case and about your rights?
Yes.
And it's my understanding you want to have a bench trial. That's a trial. You can put your hand down for me. Go ahead. You want to have a bench trial. That's a trial before me where I will be the trier of the fact. You have the right to bring witnesses at that time, and the officer and complainants must come at that time. You understand that?
Yes.
All right, I'm gonna set this for the date of October 6th. So write that down, October the 6th at 9 a.m. via Zoom. The same way you came on today, come on that day. I like your sweater too, that's very nice, thank you.
Thank you.
All right, you have a good day. You got a question?
You said October 6th at 9 a.m.
9 a.m. via Zoom, okay? Bond will be set at $0 personal, okay?
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome, I'll see you back then, okay?
Yep.
All right.
Have a good day.
You too, have a good day. Thank you for that. Trying to move too fast. I'm not gonna be getting my good days. All right. You did Denise, right?
Yes. And Jeffrey Walker.
Okay.
I think that's all I have left in the.
Okay.
That are ready.
It's a Kevin Williams. Did you do Kevin Williams? I feel like we did Kevin Williams.
Yeah, we did. It was a dismissal.
Okay.
Yep.
We have. Yeah. Okay. Now calling Ms. Wright. Are you there? Oh, she's not connected to audio.
Yes, Miss. I'm sorry.
Okay. Turn on your camera, please. Oh, she had no audio.
She was going in and out earlier.
Ms. Wright.
Yeah, Miss, my connection a little bad. That's why I'm sorry.
Okay. Now calling the matter of the People versus Denise Darcell, right? This is ticket number SP 1215361. Count 1, drove while license suspended, repeat offender. Count 2, no insurance misdemeanor. SP 1330313, drive unregistered untitled vehicle. Count 2, no insurance misdemeanor. Count 3, drive while license suspended. And ticket SP 1355921. Count 1, drove while license suspended. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Jane Carver here on behalf of Ms. Wright. Can you state your name, please?
She went offline again.
Ms. Wright, can you state your name? Ms. Wright?
Ms. Wright.
Maybe we could have her call for a plea. I don't know. It's been like this the whole time.
All right. I have to deal with her in a moment. All right, we're gonna stop that here and go to somebody else. Mr. Walker?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, now calling the matter of the people versus Jeffrey Walker Jerome. This is Jeffrey Jerome Walker Jr. This is ticket SP 143173341. Drove while license suspended. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Jane Carver on behalf of Mr. Walker. Can you state your name, please?
Jeffrey Jerome Walker Jr.
Thank you. Mr. Walker is here for a pretrial today. He is very close to getting his license back, so we'd ask that you set it for another pretrial.
All right, I'll set it for a pretrial date, sir. September 22nd. That gives you plenty of time, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
I'm sorry, Miss. My connection had went out. You talking to me, Miss? Still?
Not right now, Miss Wright.
Okay, thank you.
All right, Mr. Walker, I'll see you back at 8:30 a.m. on September 22nd. Bond will be set at $0 personal, okay? I'll see you back then.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Have a good day.
You have a better day.
Thank you, Mr. Walker. I don't know if Ms. Wright can hear us. If it's unmuted, muted. Her connection is terrible. I wish we would have known how to give you the number to give her earlier so that we could not play Russian roulette.
Yeah, it ended up working at the end, and then.
Yeah, I'm sorry about that. I'm at work and I'm not by a good sign of Wi-Fi. That's all.
Okay. Recalling the matter of the people versus Denise Darcell Wright. These matters were called on the record. Ms. Wright is here today for a arraignment on a bench warrant. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Jane Carver on behalf of Ms. Wright. Can you state your name?
Denise Darcell Wright, Your Honor.
Thank you. For purposes of the arraignment, we'd ask that you enter a plea of not guilty and recall the warrants and waive the formal reading.
All right, this time the court's going to enter a plea of not guilty, and I'm going to waive any warrants that may be out. How are we proceeding?
Ms. Wright would like to take advantage of the plea. One count of failed.
Go ahead.
One count of failed to display, one count of improper plates.
All right. Ms. Wright, if you want to take advantage of that, please raise your right hand.
No problem, Miss.
Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, you can put your hand down. Did you have a chance to talk to an attorney about your case and about your rights?
Yes, I briefly was able to go over it with her while I was in the waiting room, Miss.
All right, did anyone threaten you, force you, or promise you anything in exchange for a plea today?
No, Miss.
Are you pleading guilty of your own free will?
Can you reword that for me, Miss?
Are you pleading of your own choice? Like, are you doing this because you want to do it? All right.
Yes,
and
miss.
you understand that by taking this guilty plea, you're going to give up the right that you had to have a bench or a jury trial in these matters. You understand that?
Yes, because I just said that.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Understanding all of that, did you still want to move forward today?
Yes, please.
Okay. Okay. I want to take your attention back to the date of June 17th of 2021. At that time, were you driving a Chevy vehicle in the area of West Davidson and Dexter in the city of Detroit?
Yes, Your Honor.
And while you were driving that vehicle, was your license suspended at the time?
Yes, miss.
And also, did you not have any car insurance on your vehicle at the time?
No, I don't think who I was dating at the time had insurance on his vehicle. So no, Your Honor.
All right. Satisfied, counsel?
Yes.
All right. Stipulation for probable cause on the remaining count to be dismissed?
Yes.
All right. So at this time, the court's going to enter a plea. I think it's the amended to fail to display. Is that correct, counsel?
Fail to display, and the insurance would be amended to improper plates.
All right. Amended to one count failed to display, one count improper plates. The remaining counts called on this record will be dismissed. Ma'am, you have 6 tickets in default. You need to pay those tickets. No additional fines and costs today. Pay those tickets that are in default. Thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome. Have a good day.
You too, miss.
All right, thank you. All right.
Oh, thank you.
All right, you're all set.
Okay, bye.
Bye-bye. All right. Recalling the matters of the people versus Carlos Wade. These matters were called in their entirety. And then Mr. Wade had some additional matters we wanted to handle today. So council had to re-talk to him. Attorney Baughman, can you state your name for the record, please?
Good morning again, Your Honor. Harry Baughman for the defendant, sir. Restate your name, please.
Carlos Wade.
So Mr. Wade and I were able to come to a resolution with the prosecutor. He's gonna continue to plead guilty here to 1 count of blockading and 2 counts of allowing an unlicensed driver to drive. Those are all 0-point offenses, which will not abstract in any way to his driving record. I'd like to thank Ms. Snyder for her consideration for the defendant and indicate that he's ready to give a plea here and now. Thank you.
All right, if that's the case, sir, please raise your right hand. Do you swear to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, you can put your hand down, sir. Did you have a chance to talk to an attorney about your case and about your rights?
Yes, Your Honor.
Anyone threaten you, force you, or promise you anything in exchange for a plea today?
No, ma'am.
Are you pleading guilty of your own free will?
Yes.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes.
Do you understand that by taking this guilty plea today, you're gonna give up the rights that you had to have a bench or jury trial in these matters? You understand that?
Yes, Your Honor.
Understanding all of that, do you still want to move forward today?
Yes.
All right, sir. First, I'm gonna take your attention back to the date of June 18th of 2023. At that time, sir, were you driving a Chrysler vehicle in the area of East State Fair and Anvil Streets in the city of Detroit?
Yes, Your Honor.
And while you're driving that vehicle, were you unlicensed at the time?
Yes, Your Honor.
And did you also block traffic by failing to stop for a stop sign?
Yes.
And then I want to take your attention to the date of June 30th, 2023. Were you in the area of Kendall and Kentfield Streets in the city of Detroit driving that Chrysler vehicle?
Yes.
And while you were driving that Chrysler vehicle, did you never acquire your driver's license at the time?
No, I did not, Your Honor.
Okay. Satisfied?
I'm satisfied as to all counts.
All right. And the court is satisfied as well and will enter a plea to the amended charge of blockading and 2 counts of allowing an unlicensed driver to drive. One of the tickets I'm gonna waive the cost and fines on. The other ticket for civil infractions, you have 14 days to pay it. Is that gonna be enough time for you?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, so that first civil infraction is going to be due on August 9th, 2023, okay? On the $200 remaining that I'm giving you, I'm going to give you until September the 26th, 2023 to have that paid. All right, you have another civil infraction out there that you need to take care of, okay?
Okay.
All right, the remaining tickets called on this record today will be dismissed, okay?
Okay. Thank
All
you,
right,
Your
you're all
Honor.
set. You're very welcome. Have a good day.
You too.
All right. Ali, can you pronounce your last name for me, sir? Unmute yourself and say your last name so I can say it right. You see the mute sign? There you go. Say your last name for me. Zinedine. Now calling the matter of the people versus Ali Hassan Zinedine. This is V ticket 108438. This is one count, operate a repair facility without city permit. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Harry Baughman on behalf of the defendant, sir. State your name. Again. Thank you. Your Honor, the defendant is here for the purpose of pretrial. He has brought proper documentation. I forwarded what he sent to me to Ms. Snyder, the corporation counsel. She's agreed to dismiss this case for compliance. I'm stipulating a probable cause for that recommendation. Thank you.
All right, at this time, being that there is compliance documents, the court is going to dismiss this matter without prejudice. Sir, you're all set. Thank you for your patience this morning. All right, have a good day. Waddell?
Yes.
Now calling the matter of the people versus Latasha Waddell.
Yes.
This is ticket number Z808781. This is one count operating with a high blood alcohol content. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Harry Baughman on behalf of the defendant. Ma'am, would you state your name for the record?
Latasha Weddle.
Judge, this matter is set for a bench trial today at 9 a.m. It is now 11:40. I don't believe the people will be able to proceed without a complaining witness, so I'm asking you here and now to consider a motion to dismiss this case without prejudice. The defendant has been advised.
All right. The time is 11:41. No officers being present at this time. The court is going to grant that request. I'm going to dismiss this matter without prejudice. Ma'am, sometimes they do refile operating while intoxicated cases, but that's up to their discretion, okay?
Okay.
All right. If there's nothing further, you're all set, okay?
Okay. Thank you. Have a great
You're
day.
welcome. You too, then.
Thank you.
Mr. Walden?
Yes.
All right. Now calling the matter of the people versus Devin DeMarco Walden. This is ticket ST 1195606. One count drove while license suspended. Ticket SP 1221488 drove while license suspended. Ticket SP 1250813. Count 1 drove while license suspended. Count 2 no insurance misdemeanor. Ticket number 207082651. Drive unregistered vehicle, and ticket number 734756. No operator's license present. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
May it please the court, Harry Baughman on behalf of the defendant, sir. Please state your name.
Devon Walden.
So we're here for an arraignment, Judge. Please enter a not guilty plea on behalf of the defendant.
Mr. Walden, where are you going? Have a seat. Keep moving. Have a seat. Just sit still for 2 seconds. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. So please enter a not guilty plea. He waives any more formal reading of the information, complaint, or warrant. We're asking for a waiver trial date by Zoom, Your Honor. I do want to indicate on today's date that the defendant does have a valid driver's license. So that will be a non-issue on the trial date, and he's been advised as to the things that he needs to bring on the trial date in order to for things to work out in his favor. So we just thank you for a trial date, please.
Okay, excellent. Sir, can you please raise your right hand for me? Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
I do.
All right, you can put your hand down. Did you have a chance to talk to your attorney about your case and about your rights?
Yes.
It's my understanding you want to have a waiver trial. That's a trial before me as the trier and finder of facts. Is that okay, sir?
Yes.
All right, I'm gonna set it for the date of October the 6th. October the 6th at 9 a.m. I'll set your bond at $0 personal, okay?
Okay.
All right, I'll see you October 6th via Zoom for your bench trial, okay?
Okay, thanks.
No problem, have a good day. Kevin Wagger. Wager. All right, turn off whatever you have on. All right. Now calling the matters of the people versus Kevin Thomas Wager. This is ticket B123876. One count harboring an unlicensed dog. Ticket B123877, failed to vaccinate dog. Ticket B123879, failed to vaccinate dog. Ticket B123880, nuisance dog. Ticket B123882, harboring an unlicensed dog. B ticket 123884, failed to vaccinate dog. B ticket 123886, failed to provide leash or responsible person for dog off property. And B ticket, these are two additional ones that were, one additional one. B ticket 123881, one count, failed to provide leash off property. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Good morning, Harry Baughman for the defendant. State your name, sir.
Me, Kevin Wager.
Thank you. Judge, the defendant is not guilty. We're asking that his plea be continued onto a trial date. He's understanding that he has a right to a jury trial. He's going to waive that here today and ask for a bench trial by way of Zoom, please.
All right, if that's the case, sir, please raise your right hand. Do you swear or the other right hand? Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yeah. Yes.
Thank you.
You have a chance to talk to an attorney about your case and about your rights?
Yes, I will talk to my attorney. Yep.
Anyone threaten, and it's my understanding you want to have a waiver trial. That's a trial before me as the trier and finder of facts. Is that correct, sir?
Wait, you said a waiver trial?
Waiver trial or bench trial. It's a trial before me as the trier and finder of facts. You understand that?
Yeah. And
yes.
Yeah. I do have a yeah, I understand they just want to know, they just want their money at the end of the day.
I don't know if that's what they want. I'm not here to decide what they want. I'm just here to decide whether or not there was a violation. So have you spoken about what you need to do to correct some of this stuff? Do you understand?
Yeah, I understand.
Okay, all right. If that's the case, then I'll set it for the date of October 6th, 9 a.m. It'll be via Zoom, the same way you came on today. Okay, October 6th at 9 a.m. via Zoom.
All right.
This matters, okay? If there's nothing further, you're all set, okay?
All right. There's no I do prefer later, but there's no earlier court date. That's all you could give me, October.
I don't know. He was supposed to originally come back in December. Last year to handle these because I have the warrants for that day. So you were supposed to come way before then because these are 21 tickets. So now you want me to figure it out.
I mean,
like you used to 2021.
I mean, it's up to you. It's up to you. I was just seeing if I could get an earlier court date. Like,
okay. We're gonna look and see.
I mean, if that's all you could give me, I'm
September 1st? September 1st?
September 1st. What do?
Okay,
Yeah, I could do September 1st.
okay, let's do September the 1st then, okay?
All right.
All right, that's the closest I can get you, okay? My schedule's kind of packed, but I can get you in October 1st. I mean, September 1st, okay?
All right, yep.
All right.
All right, I'm all set.
You all set, sir.
All right, have a good one.
You too. Felicia Washington.
Yes.
Okay. Now calling the matters of the people versus Felicia Washington. This is ticket 755398. Open intoxicants in a motor vehicle. Also in warrant status, I have ticket SP 11227701. Drive unregistered untitled vehicle. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Morning, Your Honor. Harry Boffin on behalf of the defendant. Would you state your name, ma'am?
Felicia Washington.
Thank you, Judge. The defendant is here for pretrial. She's asking not guilty pleas to be continued here and the matters be set for a waiver trial by Zoom. She's been advised.
All right, please raise your right hand, ma'am. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
All right, you can put your hand down. Did you have a chance to talk to the attorney about your case and about your rights?
Yes.
It's my understanding that you want to have a waiver trial or bench trial. That's a trial before myself as the trier and finder of facts. Is that correct?
Yes.
All right, I'm gonna set it for a waiver trial on the date of October the 6th. October the 6th at 9 a.m., okay? Via
Okay.
Zoom. The same way you zoomed in today, zoom in on that day, okay?
Okay.
All right, you're all set, ma'am. Bond set at $0 personal, okay?
Okay. Thank you.
You're welcome. Have a good day.
You too.
I will, thank you. All right, you're all set. You can log off. Let's get this last person, y'all. The last two people.
I can't get the guy in room 14 to say anything.
All right. How you want to move forward with it? I know, I'm pretty sure you can't do the height of a civil infraction.
No, she's just gonna take the civil infraction.
Okay, all right. Recalling the matter of the people versus Zaire Williams. This is ticket SP 1458089. I called this matter previously on the record. Ms. Williams needs to consult with her counsel a little bit more because it was a civil infraction ticket instead of a misdemeanor, which doesn't make her eligible, I believe, for Home Youthful Training Act on that particular ticket. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Jane Carver here on behalf of Ms. Williams. Can you state your name again?
Zaria Williams.
Ms. Williams and I had further discussions and she's still going to take advantage of the plea offer with the civil infraction.
All right. All right. At this time, ma'am, do you stipulate counsel to the four corners of the ticket in order to establish a factual basis?
Yes.
All right. And do you also stipulate to the dismissal of the other misdemeanors without prejudice?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. So at this time, the court's going to enter a count of under age of 21, possession less than 2.5 ounces of marijuana. The remaining 2 tickets will be dismissed. Ma'am, the fine for that is $50. You have 14 days to pay civil infractions. You think you can pay that within 14 days?
Yes, ma'am, I can pay it tomorrow morning.
All right, fantastic. All right, $50 is the order of this court. All right, ma'am, don't do this anymore. After this, it becomes a civil infraction. It becomes a misdemeanor, okay?
Okay.
Okay, so you cannot drink, have alcohol, or have marijuana under the age of 20. You hear me, Ms. Williams?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
I drive so we can see. You got time before your birthday. So keep yourself together until you turn 21, please, and thank you.
Thank you.
August 9th is when it's due by, okay? Just in case you don't pay it tomorrow, August 9th, okay?
Okay.
All right, there's nothing further, you're all set, okay?
Thank you.
You're welcome, Ms. Williams, have a good day.
You too.
No, I will, thank you.
And thank you, Ms. Carver. You have a
Yes,
good one as well.
thank you. You're welcome.
That's one of the less civil infractions, it's only $50, I haven't looked at it. This sheet right here. Yes, all right. But you got like 10, 17. You know he has a lot of tickets and warrant status, Attorney Bosman, Mr. Williams?
Robert Williams? Or
No, he didn't come out yet.
No, okay.
Mr.
Oh,
Lamar,
never mind. Lots of Williams.
we understand, Your Honor.
Okay. All right. Calling the matters of the people versus Lamont Williams. This is Z ticket 8087841. This is one count operating with a high blood alcohol content. That ticket's on my docket for today. There are remaining 17 tickets in warrant status at this point in time.
Judge, we'll waive any more formal reading of the information and complaint on those. I have reviewed that information with the defendant in the breakout room. He understands it is his right to have a trial in this matter. He is asking that the matter be set for a final pretrial and that counsel be appointed to help him navigate his way through these.
Okay, sir, I need you to call the courtroom when you finish so that we can get counsel appointed. I'm going to adjourn these matters or set it for a pretrial on the date of August 30th at 8:30 a.m. August 30th at 8:30 a.m. so we can get you counsel assigned. In the meanwhile, I need you to call the courtroom. Are you ready to take down the phone number? You gotta unmute yourself, sir. I don't know that he ever said his name for the record. He didn't. Say your name for the record, Mr. Williams. Unmute yourself. You see me asking you to unmute?
Yeah.
There
Lamont
you go.
Williams.
All right, and sir, you ready to take down the phone number?
Yes.
313
Yeah.
965
565. Yeah.
2293.
93.
All right.
Wow. That's it.
Yes. Call for that though. Your pretrial is going to be on
August 30 and 23.
That's right. But call the courtroom so we can get you counsel put in place, okay?
All right. Would that be taken care? Would that be counsel for the tickets as well? All the tickets too?
Yeah, I'm gonna have all the tickets on there so that we can take care of all of your tickets, okay?
All right. Thank you.
You're welcome. All right. There's nothing further. You're all set. You're all set, Mr. Williams. You can log off.
Okay. All righty. Oh, no.
Good, they gotta do routine. Robert Williams,
I was just in there for at least 5 minutes.
all right. Robert Williams. Robert Williams. Going once. Robert Williams going twice. All right. That concludes